Hey YouTube, how are you? I hope you're doing good. If not, I hope you do now. So in today's video, I have a really special and different video for you than my regular makeup tutorial. So this is basically me. This is literally one product makeup, literally. Your makeup with just one product. And I will be talking with you guys, so it's like a chit chat plus doing my makeup. So guys, okay. So here I'm using Dmgm Cosmetics Photo Fix shade in Bahama Spice. Bahama Spice. So what I'm basically going to do is do my eyes, cheeks, and lips with this. And I already have put on my moisturizer and lip balm like I usually do. So should be counted because no makeup it's actually. But anyway, so for makeup product, I will only be using this and lash curler to, you know, open up my eyes a bit more and look fresh. I have my makeup meter with me and we will start. So while I'm doing my makeup, I will be talking about the current situation going on with the quarantine stuff and COVID-19. We all know it has spread everywhere and we gotta take care of ourselves and our loved ones. So yeah, I know many of us are sad because of the situation. The reason is that we can't meet up with anyone right now. Social distancing is important, highly important, to protect the humanity, to protect ourselves, everyone around us, the community. So what I really want to talk about is that don't be negative about it. Like, try to take it in the positive light and think about it as a way of getting to spend more time with your immediate family, with who you're living, your roommates, with whoever you are in the quarantine. You might be alone with your pets, whatever the situation is, but I really hope you are making most out of the situation by, you know, doing things which you weren't doing during your work, during your job or your university, whatever your studies. You know, you're like getting more time to do. Maybe you wanted to cook your favorite recipe, but you weren't getting time, but now you can. And you weren't able to maybe follow your series, TV shows, whatever, movies maybe. So you can watch those. Also, you can read your favorite books, which were on pending. You know, just your hobbies, like, wait a minute, sorry, I think I've messed it up a bit here. I'm fixing it. Yeah, it's better, I think. Just, you know, during the quarantine time, take care of your home, maybe cleaning your room, your house, gardening maybe. You can do many things. There are a lot of things you can do. A makeup tutorial, you can do that, like me. Because yes, I'm doing this to make the most out of the quarantine situation, coming up with YouTube ideas. The best thing about YouTube is that you're doing everything, you know, within your home, at your home, and so it's cool, right? Oh, sorry, I think I got out the nail. My finger, ring fingernail. Oh yeah, so as I'm talking to you guys, I just remember, literally, I filmed, literally, right now, I filmed a video on my nails. Basically a tutorial on how to how to apply fake nails. So it will be uploaded before this one, so hopefully you'll watch it before this. Just a little bit dot. Yeah. Yes, so if you really enjoy it, do let me know. I will link it somewhere here if you haven't watched it, like, do watch it. So yeah, that is what I am doing right now. Just coming up with my YouTube ideas. I literally wanted to do YouTube like forever, and yeah, decades. I really wanted to do it long time, but maybe I never had enough courage to start my own YouTube channel, and I was not sure about, you know, when to start, when will be the right time to start it. But you know, maybe COVID-19 made me do this. Like returning to YouTube. Though I started it in 2018, July, before my birthday, but I don't know why I stopped. Like, I know why I stopped. I actually stopped, but why I'm like, I don't know why I stopped, because, you know, I would always be thinking that, yeah, I can wait, like, till I'm working on my quality and stuff like that, so I can wait, maybe not now, maybe this is not just right. You get it, right? I would just find excuses to, like, maybe no. But that is why the situation is not that bad. Like, try to look at the brightest side of the picture, and yes, we will be fighting this very virus. Don't worry, we'll get done with this virus. This virus will be over. Just keep praying, keep staying, you know, safe and clean. Whatever you can do to stay healthy and, you know, safe as possible, do that. I should do it. Wait a minute. My fingers. Like so. Just a little bit. I really love this brown lipstick of mine. So that's why I chose it. Sorry. So applying a little bit more. Here and a little bit here. No, still want my blush to be right. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Like, really just try to make the most out of the situation. So, I hope you're all well during the quarantine time, and also please follow the rules of government and health medical advisors like centers, CDC, or the one and only WHO, which is World Health Organization. So World Health Organization, basically organization. I was literally applying lipstick and saying it at the same time. Sorry. Speaking while applying lipstick is not the best thing to do, so I'll wait for a while and then talk. Yes, so do follow their guidelines for medical advice and quarantine and COVID in general. Do take them seriously, please. Just don't take it so lightly, because immediately you know what is going on. I'm genuinely praying for them, and also in Pakistan, where I'm right now, I'm in Karachi, and it's in lockdown. So people need to take it very seriously, because it's not a joke. It's about human lives are so many, at stake, and the risk of exposing to this virus. So just, be careful and be serious about this. Don't take it as a joke. Don't take it as a vacation, like, oh, we've got our vacations, like we aren't going to our university or job, whatever. If you're at home, like what you should be doing right now. So take it seriously. Take the quarantine life seriously. And also positively, don't panic, because this would be the worst you would do. Don't panic, take it seriously, but yet enjoy it in a positive way. Like, now time to curl. So here I'm using my clears. This one is clears. We do the write it. You can't read it, but this is my clears eyelash curler. It's been for so long. I literally have it back in Saudi Arabia. Bought it. So yeah, do take it seriously, but in a positive way. Like panic buying and those things are not good. Like, you gotta take care of others as well. Like, be generous, especially for the elderly one. They need our So especially the elderly one, they need our help in this situation the most. If you can provide, do help them with the things they need. Maybe food, maybe gloves, sanitizers, surgical masks, whatever. Try to help them. That is all. So the look is done. This is just so, I think, super easy. Anyone can do it. And I just did it with my favorite lip color. I literally have many favorites, but this one was the best of the option, and I really like this, the Dmgm Cosmetics one. And yeah, that is all. I really hope you are doing great, you're staying safe and sound, your loved ones are hopefully better. And yes, loads of prayers for those who are beating and fighting with this virus. I really hope every one of you are well, and I pray truly. So yes, if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to me if you haven't already. Share it with your friends, family, anyone you could possibly can, and let them enjoy this quarantine time. Maybe watching cookie content, and maybe Kookiemons can make their day better even more. And yeah, comment below what you are doing, like cooking, whatever you're doing to keep that positive energy coming in during this time of crisis. And yes, that is all. I really hope you all are fine. Till then, have a good day or night wherever you are. Stay amazing. Bye guys.